Our spa is a hidden oasis in the center of Montclair Village. For convenience of our clients, we are open 7 days a week from 9 to 7, Sundays 10 to 5. You can melt away tension and put up your feet even if you don't have an appointment. One-of-a-kind manicures and pedicures happen in these chairs. To conserve water and avoid contamination while hydrating your skin, we'll soak your hands and feet in the disposable paraffin mitts. We are a green business. Most of our products is certified organic. We will take care of your face and body together in one treatment. A healthy and clean body will have a healthy skin to show for it. That's why we have 2 certified colon hydrotherapists to assist you. We will always educate you on the professional products we use, so you will be able to maintain your skin at home. Our business is unique because we combine holistic treatments in a day spa environment. You are the most important person to us. When you come into our spa, we will pamper you.